So what do you think about the video and audio quality? Well, you can spin the camera and it should stay in level. You can vlog with it. Audio quality is decent, not great, but decent. Wait, do I have a wind cancellation on? That is the question. Now it's with the wind cancellation. Okay, wind cancellation on. Do we have a worse sound or better? With a dead cat and everything. You can spin the camera and it should stay level. Alright, let me put that camera on. Bam. Grab the backpack. Beautiful bike. That's right. And there you go, a small video and audio quality test for the GoPro 11 and 11 mini, because it's the same chip and similar firmware. There you go, thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.